This GreenLife Soft Grip Diamond Healthy Ceramic Nonstick Frying Pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a 10-inch size, perfect for cooking various meals. The turquoise color adds a pop of brightness. This skillet aims to make your cooking experience easier and healthier. The GreenLife Soft Grip Diamond Healthy Ceramic Nonstick Surface is a key feature. Food slides off easily, so you won't have to worry about stubborn bits sticking. This makes both cooking and cleaning a breeze. Plus, the pan is PFAS-free. This means it's made without harmful chemicals. You can cook your favorite recipe with peace of mind. It's also dishwasher safe, which simplifies cleanup even further. This pan is designed for everyday use. The soft grip handle provides a comfortable and secure hold. It helps you maneuver the pan with ease. While this is not a stock pot, it's excellent for frying, sautéing, and more. The GreenLife Soft Grip Diamond Healthy Ceramic Coating is durable. It can handle regular use in a busy kitchen. Consider this pan for your next delicious meals. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: dishwasher safe, soft grip handle, even heating, easy food release, quick cleanup, stylish. Turquoise color, durable, comfortable to use, made from recycled aluminum. Cons: may lose non-stick, can scratch easily, not for high heat, uneven heating, lighter weight. Might stain, coating may thin, not induction safe, handle cleaning tricky, durability concerns. Features: GreenLife brand, soft grip handle, diamond coating, healthy ceramic, nonstick surface. 10-inch size, frying pan type, skillet style, PFAS-free, dishwasher safe. This 10-inch GreenLife frying pan is a skillet with a turquoise color. It has a soft grip handle for comfortable use. The pan features a diamond-reinforced healthy ceramic nonstick surface, which means food won't easily stick and it's easy to clean. It's also made without harmful chemicals called PFAS. For easy cleanup, this pan can be washed in the dishwasher. This GreenLife frying pan has a soft, comfortable handle and a stylish turquoise color. It's made from recycled aluminum and has a non-stick ceramic coating that's free of harmful chemicals, making it a healthy choice for cooking. The pan heats evenly and releases food easily, which makes cleaning up quick. However, the non-stick coating might wear off over time, and it can scratch easily. It's also not meant for cooking at very high heat and might stain. The handle can be a bit tricky to clean, and some people have concerns about how long the pan will last. It's also not safe to use on induction stovetops.